Your first step into enterprise Java starts with a simple idea. Imagine you are building a large, complex application. You need many different components to work together seamlessly. You need a way to manage data, handle user requests, and ensure everything is secure. Think of the Spring Framework as a powerful toolkit for Java developers. Spring is a collection of modules designed to solve these problems: core, MVC, security, data. One of the most fundamental concepts in Spring is inversion of control, or IOC. Normally, your code is in charge. Objects create their own dependencies. For instance, a car object might create its own engine object. With IOC, that control is inverted, flipped. An external container, the Spring IOC container, creates and wires objects for you. The container manages object lifecycles and wiring. It wires them together and manages create, run, destroy. Instead of manually newing dependencies, you declare a dependency and Spring injects it. You can swap implementations without changing the class. Just change configuration. No code changes to the consumer. Imagine making a sandwich. You ask for bread, cheese, ham. Spring fetches the ingredients and hands them to you. This decoupling makes testing with mocks fast and reliable. Once you understand Spring's object model, you can start building web apps. For web apps, the go-to module is Spring MVC. Model represents your data. View, what the user sees in their browser. Controller, the traffic cop that routes requests. Dispatcher servlet receives a request, routes to a controller which uses the model and returns a view. The model contains fields like name and email. The view renders them. Without separation, UI changes can break data logic. MVC prevents that. Front-end and back-end developers can work independently without stepping on each other's toes. This structure scales well for teams and long-term maintenance. Spring security is customizable and powerful. Authentication, who you are. Authorization, what you can do. With a few lines of config, you can require roles, hash passwords, and protect against CSRF. When you read job descriptions for back-end roles, Spring appears again and again. From startups to big companies, teams rely on Spring for reliability and productivity. Spring has 2 decades of maturity, great docs, and an active community. The ecosystem includes Spring Data, integration, batch, boot, and cloud, many solutions in one family. Spring Boot gets you started quickly. You can have a production-ready app in minutes. Build projects that become portfolio pieces and show employers you can ship real systems. Hiring managers see Spring and Infer skills, DI, MVC, and scalable design. That readiness shortens onboarding and makes you attractive from day one. Start with Spring Boot. To conclude, learning Spring is one of the most strategic investments you can make as a CS student. Principles from Spring, DI, clear separation with MVC, and robust security are universal. Finance, e-commerce, healthcare, technology, and cloud services. Your degree gives you tools, algorithms, data structures, languages. Spring is the industrial-grade power tool to add. A quick roadmap. Start with Spring Boot. Build a simple web app, connect it to a database, add basic security. You'll see classroom concepts come to life and build portfolio pieces employers value. Start today with Spring Boot. Build, learn, and open career doors.